Hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm doing something I haven't done in a while, and that's a sit-down unboxing, because I normally open my book boxes in my vlogs these days. But today's box is special, so it deserves its own video, and I'm very, very excited to get into this. As you can tell from the title and the thumbnail, I have got the Illumicrate Editions box, the A Darker Shade of Magic Collector's Edition box. I had to get my hands on this. I was so excited when it was announced and I needed to snap that thing up immediately, and I'm really pleased that I managed to get a box, because if you're new here, hi, I'm Jade. I'm really into Victoria Schwab. She is my favourite author. I have a big shelf behind me of Schwab books, and you know whatever's in here is gonna get its like pride place on that shelf. So yeah, I had to get my hands on this. I'm really excited to dive into it. So without further rambling, let's just get into what is in this box. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Bonsai scissors. Here we go. Please don't anything fall out. Oh, see, something was gonna. Ta-da! I have a little table here that's probably going to come in really handy for this. Right, so of course we have the spoiler card. Oh, it's got a photo challenge as well. I say spoiler card, it's a little catalogue of everything that's involved, and there is a photo challenge as well. Right, remove the packaging. First thing on top is a blanket. This feels like a blanket. Oh, it's very soft. It is indeed a blanket. What does it say? What is it? Is that Kel's head? Let's have a look. It's definitely a Kel head. Oh, and a Holland head. And a Lila head. Oh, okay, so it's like the 4 Londons with a silhouette of their person. So we have a Lila, a Kel, a Holland, and the furry pits of hell. This is really nice. It's also really soft. Oh, and it's got like card symbols. I didn't even notice those on the corner there, like black London diamonds, white London clubs. Oh, this is really cool. Red London hearts, and grey London spades. I'm really into that. A lot. Right, next is, oh my god, it's a pin. It's a really big, heavy pin. Darker Shade of Magic enamel pin. There are many shadows in the night, and it's got Lila's like mask on it. Designed by Fable and Black exclusively for Illumicrate. That is beautiful. I love it. It's so pretty, and Lila is my favourite, so anything related to Lila is a big win for me! Right, next up is a tiny pouch with fabric in it. Is this like a microfiber cloth sort of thing? Like a glasses cleaner? I mean, maybe. It's otherwise just a tiny postcard-sized cloth with Lila and Alucard on it. That's really pretty artwork. I like that. And this looks like where Lila is learning a thing or two. Love it. Love it. I don't want to say too much about like what the artwork is and stuff for spoilers for the books, but I assume anyone watching this will have read the books, but just to be safe. Oh, there's a tube. I'm assuming this is going to be, I don't know, some sort of print? I don't know. Oh no, it's dust jackets! Of course! Illumicrate do dust jackets. Am I gonna need to get like another hard set edition of the books just to display these? Or will I frame them? I don't know. Oh, this is so exciting! Oh my god! Ah! So, here is the Darker Shade of Magic dust jacket. It's got the Dane twins, of course. Oh, sorry if I'm not holding it quite right. It's got the Dane twins, of course, and Cal. This is beautiful. I really like the spine. It's like you could have it either way. I really like the spine on that. That's very pretty. So that is a darker shade of Magic. Oh, the next one's really pretty. So this one is, of course, a Conjuring of Light with Rye and Holland. And again, the spine is beautiful. And similarly, you can have it either way because the spine goes either way. Like the word in the middle can be read from either direction, which is really, really clever. And then a Gathering of Shadows. I've done these in the wrong order because this is the second one, obviously. But it's my girl! It's Lila and Alucard there. It's so pretty and the spine is beautiful. I think this one's probably my favourite, but I'm obsessed with Delilah Bard, so that was bound to happen. I really like these. I don't know how I'm going to display them because of the whole you can flip them thing. You can have it this way up to have Kel up the right way, or this way up to have the Dane twins up the right way. I don't know how to display this, but I love it. I love it. I'm so happy. There's a little box. What's in the little box? Oh, they're like little figures. Oh my god, this is so cool. So we've got lots of little like standy feet pieces. And then, oh my god, Delilah Bard, my main girl. I love her. Here we have Kel. Oh, my shelf's gonna look so good. Rye, of course, in all his majesty. Holland, chilling there. Alucard. And a little Schwab herself. A little Victoria Schwab. I was wondering, like, there's another one. Who is it? Schwab. It is Victoria Schwab. These are amazing. I am gonna really enjoy standing these up. Let's just test them out with the Schwab one so you can see how it like stands. So they're just like clear acrylic with the print on and it just slots in like that. Amazing. I now have a Victoria Schwab just chilling on my shelf there. Oh my god, I love it. I'm really going to enjoy setting my shelf up after this. There's another tube. This looks like a fabric banner. Oh my god. It's a poster for the Essentach. Oh, it's a poster for the final of the Essentach. I am so unbelievably happy right now. This is beautiful. Where am I gonna hang this? This deserves like center stage somewhere. This is gorgeous. Ah, what am I gonna do? I can't like hang it in front of my shelves. Ah, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Love it so very much. Right, and then the final two things rolled into one. The first is this book sleeve, which has Kel and Lila on it. It's like a, I'm assuming, faux leather. That is just beautiful, gorgeous. And then on the back, you two are circling each other like stars. You come asking after one another when only a few strides and a handful of stars divide you. I love this. This is beautiful. And then, of course, in here is the book. Are we ready? I'm not sure I'm ready. It's gorgeous. A darker shade of magic. Illumicrate special edition with these like metallic, silvery, gunmetal-y sprayed edges. Gorgeous end papers. So pretty. And signed by Schwab. This is beautiful. I love this very, very much. I love this very, very much. I have loved everything in this box very, very much. So that is everything in this box, and I am so happy with it. Worth the money? In my opinion, absolutely. So we've got the exclusive naked hardcover of the book with the sprayed edges, gorgeous. The book sleeve, gorgeous. This is incredible. I love this. Of course, we had the pin and the cloth, our two littler items. All of these figures, which I'm so excited to stand up. The really creative book sleeves with the like upside down thing going on. And a big old blanket. Oh, I'm thrilled. I'm so happy. Right. There we go. There we have it. I'm now gonna set up my shelves and pop all the rubbish in the bin. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed seeing me get really excited about this. What was your favourite thing from this box? I would love to know. I think mine could be the Tuck poster, maybe. But I love it all, so yeah, just massive fangirling right now. But I'm going to stop rambling. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed. If you have, give us a thumbs up, chat to me down below, let me know what you liked from this box. And I will see you in whatever I put out next. Bye!